They are the cool in Canada.
Yes.
Jamaica. Expect me. Coming out.
Right away.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing is set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute upon the beat, and then you can see, part on the screen, people is finally getting what them want, because for some reason, if you don't show them not satisfied. As you heard in the beginning of the video, Vybz Kartel is on his way to Jamaica, obviously to assist with the rebuild and, helping, people who need supplies and all of these stuff. You see, man, some people putting in the comment section what you think about that, because he has come under heavy fire for, simply posting where you can donate money and all of these things. You see, man, and people had an issue with that. You see me? People, you have to keep in mind, even though a catastrophe happened to Jamaica, a lot of these artists have contractual obligations to fulfill. As you know, he was in Canada shelling down the place. You see me, I said, 1 3 night thing. You know what I mean? And say Spicy, Jam Rock and all of these stuff. You see me, I say, but all of these people have them foundations. You know what I mean? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. This is why them say to donate to the government in the meantime till them get to do what them have to do. You see me, I say, so I'm just giving you an update what I go on for not to go on. Just because you don't see your favorites, you know what I mean, showing and telling what they're doing and helping people doesn't mean say them not helping. You see me, I say, so we want to big up all of the TikTokers and all of the people them in the industry and regular people them who's helping. Wanna big up on yourself and at this time. Not one man, not one woman should get credit. You see me, I say, everybody deserves the credit. You know what I mean? Even the Jamaican Defense Force, because I'm seeing a lot of people saying them not see them. And me say them do the things them you have to seeing in front of you. Getting necessary supplies out to the people them and these things. You know what I mean? When I have to remember say hurricane just happened, things have to be assessed. All of these things, some things have to be dealt with first. But as you can see, they're getting food out to. You know what I mean? They have to take care of the hospital and all of these things, the road and all of these things, but they are getting things to own and people is doing what them can. You see what I say? Anyway, let's proceed. Now, time for the mix-up on the day for the downloads of Dancehall. As you know, we was reading out chapter 1 yesterday on our TikTok page. Chapter 1 was Akeem and Bottom Life. You see what I say? From where it started and where it's still there. And things. Today we're going to be doing chapter 2 with Figure It Out and his boo thing, his boyfriend, and the car cleaning thing. You know what I mean? Some of us are going to divulge what we got into yesterday pertaining to, Akeem, right? Because the sea rough and the sea creature, them not say eye to eye. As you can see, Tikki, the one fish from it say, why snow don't expose Akeem and all of them scamming things them, right? So, Sanders say Akeem a one fish from long time, from limelight days when Romy British used to fish him out. You see me say, and one next fish when named Nicholas from Palan or whatever the person say, used to in the gully in a New Kingston. Them time the Batman wasn't in America yet. So it's true when Batman say him bring Akeem through the border, right, to America for Nicholas, and Nicholas trick him to go back to Jamaica. And also him and Snow start there because Snow is Nicholas fish jam. You see, some people putting in the comment section what you think about that, because we all seen Batman go live and said this numerous of times for people who don't know. You see, so these intricate details that we're getting with, it kind of confirms the thing, you see, and I'm going to be honest with you, all of this time I thought Snow and Nicholas was the same person. I just thought that Snow was his, lady boy name. You see, again, let me just put this out here. We are trying to save women's fronts from being, doodle up. You see, I think women need to have the choice to see if they want to contaminate themselves. And, men don't want to contaminate do the panani pull out thing, right? So we need to let go the deals, them like silent reaper, right? Let's proceed. Now, the sender went on to say, yeah, even Naya knows that too. Now, they said that, there was some fish from long time because you know we blanked out that spot. We're going to be talking about that today. But them did that. Them was all friends. You see, Mars and they all go to party together in 2023. Snow and Akeem and figure it out boyfriend and one fish you see on Snow Life where they named Bashi was also at the party in St. Anne's, right? They was all there, and you know that was a fishman party. You see. Now, people, this is where the story gets more interesting because a lot more of your favorite TikTokers' names have been mentioned, like Dancing Rebel and Pretty Pretty, who was at an Airbnb with Snow in Jamaica. At one point, that long time Snow and Akeem was together and figure it out was with one, you know, man name. We're going to disclose that today. And the one I just sent you is a picture that figure it out, you know, man, you know, that they still together and all of these things. I forgot, Akeem have a next man coming up, you know, my people. But the person said, why do you think the slim girl he's talking about was leave Akeem? You know what I mean? Because, you know, says she found out that, you know, Akeem was doing things with Snow. That's why the person said, even Vani knows them a B-man. You see what I'm saying? Put in the comment section where you think about that. So the person went on to say, LOL, so it's nothing hiding. I really don't know all people on TikTok. So fool. No people, before we get into more what the person had to say, I want to play you this video with Ivany because it's going to corroborate what the person says next. Isn't it?
Remember, it's a Batman party. Every man up there is a still Batman them, but them are the woman Batman. Them take fuck. You know, saying that Batman is him. You have the man, the Batman will give fuck, and you have the Batman will take fuck. So you have the one them where give fuck in a them man clothes same way, but you still see feminine pan them. While you have the other one them will pretend to be like a girl. Them in a them dress, them in a them ears, and them in a everything. In the middle of the party, you see man a wine palm man. Man a kiss man. Man a dagger man. Man a lap up with man. Man a snap man. One little part over there, so man a suck off man cocky over there. So now tell me what a straight man are doing at that the party there. I'm gonna tell you the difference because I have sense. You might say I'm mad. Basically, when it come down to bubble down and reason and split things, so people understand me. I go down and split it as much as I can for to get my point. Look pan quite Perry.
Put in the comment section where you think about that. So, like I said, before we proceed, I just want to talk about Dancing Rebel because you see Intense next to her, and you just seen a picture with Snow exposing Intense bro because of the same iPhone $800 business that Akeem did get caught with us, right? So let's proceed. The person said Akeem and Figure It Out was at one fish party in a Kingston when Snow was in Jamaica. Every time Snow in Jamaica, at every A&B, you see Akeem post Snow, and you know, Figure It Out man is also there too. The reason why you don't see Snow come out and deal with them wickedly because Akeem and Figure It Out, then you know them beg like baby. And you know Snow and them two things we're going to disclose later on today on my TikTok. So the person said, trust me, Snow minds them both. Akeem and Figure It Out because them know them in person. That's why them say hide my ID. But just know say, you know, that them both fish out from long time and Akeem, you know, from 5 years, no, long time. And the pink BMW you see Akeem with at one time in my life I post up, a Snow on it. You see me I say, and he used to act like it was his because, you know, say the car cleaning and all of them things, you know, right? That we're going to be talking about more in detail later on today, you see me? Because the FBI is definitely involved, as the person said. You know what I mean? Them say every fish knows them. The reason you don't see no fish come out and bring them down is because they don't have with the right one. But from every fishman, you see knows them very well. And them say, remember I had my ID. Put in the comment section what you think about that, because as I showed you, Tikki, the dog vomit one fish. He's out for Akeem right now because Snow must have outed one fish. What you saw. Sea rough right now. Sea creatures them at them one another. You see me say, before we proceed, this is just another post of Snow chastising Was when she had bought him the BMW one time. So, you know, him being bought stuff by Snow, like BMW is nothing new. Because no, always mind him all some Benz and all of these things. You see me I say. But let's proceed to the next individual that them say is in Akeem life. One man named them call him Dali. Yeah, some Lataya Dali. Them live in a Panama that them forward to Jamaica and them do the things. You see me say my people. So that is chapter 1 with Akeem. You know what I mean? We'll do chapter 2 with Figure It Out and Fame Man, and we're going to do chapter 3 with the card cleaning. I'm sure you heard stories about that already from, you know, Sky Diamond, SWAT Judge, and TikTok Lawyer. Well, we got the intricate details, we got couriers, everything, how the whole shish kebab going. You see what I'm saying? If you made it this far to the video and you are one of these cult fanatics saying XYZ ABC, take a look at your screen. What do you see? Exactly. The wife. Right. Look at the date too, right? Right. So we are not doing nothing unusual around here, right? Right. So do the right thing and follow me on all of my platforms, especially TikTok if you want to get that, you know, chapters today. You see my say. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, musical reviews, and gossips. Bless.